We will solve this one, factoring general quadratic trinomials when a is equal to 1. So, we will factor n squared minus n minus 20. So, kukunin natin yung values ng ating general form. Si a, that is equal to 1. Meron siyang coefficient ng 1 dyan. Okay, then yung b, this is equal to negative 1. Meron coefficient ng 1 dyan, diba? So, negative yan. So, therefore, yung b is negative 1. Okay, yung C naman ay negative 20. Okay, so we will factor this one using AC method. So, yung AC, yung value ng ating A at saka CC. So, yung A natin is positive 1. Tapos, yung C is negative 20. Multiply natin yan. So, this is negative 20 times 1. That is negative 20. So, ngayon, hanap tayo ng mga factors of negative 20. Okay, factors of negative 20. Dapat yung sum nila ay equal to negative 1. Okay, yung sum nila. So, what are the factors of negative 20? So, dito muna tayo. So, negative 4, multiply natin kay 5, that is negative 20. Di ba? So, yung sum nito, negative 4 plus positive 5, this is positive 1. So, hindi yan. Hanap pa tayo. So, baliktarin natin yan. So, negative 5 times positive 4 equals negative 20. Okay, try natin yung sum nila. So, negative 5 plus positive 4, that is equal to negative 1. Okay, so ito na yung factors na ating hinahanap. Kasi negative 20 yung factors at saka yung sum nila ay negative 1. So, therefore, yung factor natin, factor number 1, first factor, then the second factor. So, since n yan, n dito sa first factor, then n din dito sa second factor. So, yung first factor natin is negative 5. This is n minus 5. And the other factor is n plus 4. Plus 4 is because this is positive 4. So, this is your final answer. Bye-bye.